Notice the fine details on the Seiyun Palace rendering.
Yes, the resolution is exceptional on the screen.
And the Arabic numerals?
Perfect.
The mobile security thread pathway is here. See how it aligns with the master? The front and reverse layouts are positioned.
Confirming registration on the 1,000 Rial notes.
Perfect alignment.
The spacing appears to be exactly to specification.
Check the alignment against the reference proof.
Matches. The issue year passes inspection. Digital verification complete. Transferring the master now.
Received.
The Republic of Yemen emblem is clearly visible.
And the smaller denomination watermark as well.
Position is stable. Lateral alignment confirmed. Engaging the lock. The alignment holds steady here.
Let's stay here.
Let's move to the final check. Verified. The mobile security thread is fully aligned and embedded.
Excellent. Proceed to verification. The restraints are secure, all checks complete.
Confirmed. Record updated.
Proceeding to printing.
Khaled, the sheets are here. Excellent. I've prepared the masters. Let's start the run.
The alignment looks perfect, Ahmed. Confirmed. The master layout is ready. Engaging the feeder guides now.
The registration is perfect. Passing to the scanner. Verified.
The registration looks tight on this run. Confirming. The fine lines are building well. Proceeding to the architectural detail section.
The alignment is perfect, Khaled.
Registration confirmed within range.
Proceed with printing.
The sheet is cleared.
Approved.
The cylinder is at operating speed. Let's begin the run.
The central bank lettering is perfectly registered.
Excellent.
Excellent. Proceed with the 1,000 denomination run. The registration looks precise on the 1,000 Rial sheets.
Verified against the control sample, Khaled. The Intaglio is flawless. The reference looks good, Salma. Registration confirmed, Khaled. Initiating the feature application. HMC registration is perfect.
Verified. Release the sheet.
The rainbow transition is accurate to the reference. Good.
Proceed with magnification.
The mobile security thread is active.
A distinct angle-dependent optical shift.
Confirmation. The thread functionality is intact.
The thread registration is within acceptable tolerance.
Excellent. Proceed to the next station. Response approved. Print quality high.
Status recorded, ready for next stage. The sheets are entering the verification section.
Check the watermarks for correct alignment.
Verified. Watermarks are clear. The watermark is appearing.
Positioning is stable.
The Republic of Yemen emblem looks sharp.
Yeah.
I'm moving it to reveal the smaller mark now.
The emblem matches the reference.
Okay, confirmed.
Moving on to the smaller mark.
The watermark on this one looks perfect, just like the others.
Consistent positioning across the sheet. Excellent.
The registration aligns perfectly. Final confirmation. Emblem confirmed. Status green.
The color and registration look perfect on this run.
Excellent work, Salma.
The alignment is perfect.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Final production status approved. Batch 166 verified.
Acknowledged. Commencing transfer.
Verified. The batch is ready for transfer.
Guiding it through now.
Proceed to phase 10.
Initiating pneumatic seal. The verified bundles are entering. Check the count against the manifest.
Initiating transfer to the packaging table. Speed looks correct. Batch 476, scanned and accounted for.
Positioned and secure.
Verified. Ready to close.